When Lexus unveiled the redesigned RX, the company announced plans for an all-new plug-in hybrid version called the RX 450h Plus. The crossover comes with the Lexus Safety System, plus 3.0 suite of driver assistance systems. It includes all-speed dynamic radar cruise control with curve speed management, lane tracing assist, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Other highlights include proactive driving assist, road sign assist, and lane departure alert with steering assist. The RX 450h Plus has 21-inch wheels with a dark metallic finish. Buyers will also find perforated semi-aniline leather seats with heating and ventilation. They're joined by a head-up display, a 14-inch infotainment system, and a panoramic glass roof. Other highlights include a heated steering wheel, thematic ambient lighting, and ash bamboo or black open pore wood trim. The RX 450h Plus features a plug-in hybrid powertrain that consists of a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, 2 electric motors, and a lithium-ion battery pack. This setup enables the all-wheel drive crossover to produce a combined output of 304 horsepower and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.2 seconds. The model will go on sale in the US later this year, with prices starting at $70,080.